Hello students, today we are going to see list in HTML. In HTML, we can create three different types of list: ordered list, unordered list and definition list. The first one is ordered list. Ordered list is created using OL tag. Ordered list is created whenever the order is important. If I want that I should know the rank of some people, so for that purpose, we use order of the list where the order is very important. When you are using ordered list, it can be a numerical list or it can be an alphabetical list. Each item in the list can be added using li tag. Li, name of the item, and /li for closing the li tag. Then there are three attributes of OL tag. The first one, type attribute. Type attribute is going to specify the list item marker. What is going to be the marker over there that you can change using type? By default, you are going to see a number as 1. You can choose alphabets. A is going to indicate a lowercase alphabet. If you want uppercase alphabets, then you use capital A. It allows us to use Roman numerals also. For that, you have to use capital I for capital Romans, then a small I for small Romans. Then the next attribute is reversed. Reversed is going to change the order of your list. If you have a list from 1 to 3 and you are using reversed, it is going to show you 3 to 1 in reverse order. Start is going to specify from which point it is going to start. If I want my list to start from 50, then I have to use start equal to 50. Remember that the start attribute, it is going to take value as number. Always it is going to take it as number. Even though if I have given a capital A, type is equals to capital A, then and I want to start it from D. So you have to write start equal to 4. That is the first 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, 4. It is always going to take a number. It is never going to take an alphabet or a Roman number. We are going to just see one program related to this. So this is an example. The first list that we have is a simple list. Here no attributes are used, so default type is going to be used. The second one, it is using start as 5 and Roman I. So it is going to show you Roman capital starting from 5. The third list that we have, it is going to use A, a small alphabet A, and the order is going to be reversed. Opening it in a browser. So on your browser, you can see three different lists over here. Okay, the first list with the default type where no attributes are used. The default type is 1, 2, 3. Then the next one is ordered list with Roman numeral and a starting point. Starting is given as 5. So it is going to start with Roman 5 because the type is used is I. Then the next one is ordered list with reversed order. So we have used type as A and that to small a. So it is going to show me small c, small b and small a in reverse order. This is your ordered list. Over here the order is very much important that the items should be displayed in a particular order only. The second type of list we have is unordered list. Unordered list is like your ordered list. It is over here. No order is important. You can have any order, like I say 5 colors. So it does not require any particular order. Colors can be in any random order. It is created using UL tag. Over here also the list item is created using li tag. The list items you can see they are marked with small bullets over there. By default you will see a small circle which is going to be displayed. Over here also we have type attribute which is going to specify the list type marker. It has 3 values: disk, circle and square. Disk is the small circle. Square is a hollow circle where you do not have anything filled inside. The square, it is square shaped with black color filled inside. Now there is one important thing that we have to remember over here is the UL tag in HTML5 does not support type attribute. So your type attribute is not supported in HTML5 when you are using unordered list. In that case, you have to use CSS style. See, there is one example, UL style equal to, this is inline CSS, style equal to list style dash type. So the property name is list style type colon disk. Here you can use disk, circle and square. UL style attribute style equal to the property name and your value. Value can be disk, circle and square. If you are using any other version of HTML apart from HTML5, the previous versions, they support type attribute. HTML5, the current one, is not supporting UL tag type attribute. Okay, so let's see one example over here for unordered list. Unordered list. Okay, so here the first one is the default type. Again, you can see no attributes have been used. The second one, it is with type circle, style list, style type equal to is circle. So here we have used inline CSS for specifying the type. The third one is unordered list with a square, style equal to list, style type is square. Let's see the execution of this. Opening it in a browser. Here, this is unordered list with the default type. If you can see, I'll just zoom this a little bit so that it is more visible to you all. Here, this is a circle, a filled circle. This is the default value, a disk. The second one is circle. Here the circle is not filled. The third one is square. Again, the squares are filled. Okay, now it is not necessary to use inline CSS over here. You can use any different types of CSS, but inline is always more useful in this case. Let's just use it in internal CSS. It is going to show you the same effect. Instead of writing like this, we are going to write over here UL and circle. Here also we'll just remove this. Save. Now what is going to happen is all the three lists, they are going to get circle as the list marker. Let's save this, and first list also getting a circle, second list also getting a circle, third list also getting a circle. This is because now we are using internal CSS. Internal CSS, it is applied to all the selectors, all the elements which are specified over here. Okay, so that is the reason generally your list type is written with the inline CSS. So this is about your unordered list. Use UL tag li for marking the items. Then the third one is definition list. Definition list, it starts with DL tag. The items over here can be created using DT and DD. DT is specifies the term definition, and second, DD is going to give the actual definition. So we have an example over here also. Definition list. Here, definition DL. Here, this is the starting of your definition. It doesn't have any kind of attributes as such. DT, HTML. So my term over here is HTML. It is going to write HTML, and then DD is defining the definition of that particular term, a markup language to create web pages. Similarly, another one is DT, CSS. Next, DT, a design language to make your web pages look better. Opening this in the browser. This is our H1 definition list, then our DL, first definition term, and then your DD, that is data definition. You can add as many definitions as you want. You must have observed that this HTML, it is displayed in bold because we have used D tag. Okay. Other different CSS, if you all want, you can use over here to make your pages look better. Use colors, use font sizes, and any other text properties that are required. So this is about your definition list. So this is the next list that we have is nested list. Nested lists are basically a list inside another list. You can have ordered list inside another ordered list, unordered another unordered list, or vice versa. As in how the requirement is, you can create a list that you want. So here we have the first example where we have nested list for only one level we are using here. So here this is my heading H1 OL ordered list, first item LI, second item JavaScript. Now inside JavaScript you can see this is a complete list which is placed inside the JavaScript. So this list is placed inside your OL list. Okay, so here we have list type is square. This is an unordered list. LI 1, 2 and 3 list items given here. Then after this LI which you see is a part of your OL tag. So this is just one level that we are using. Let's open this in the browser. You can keep any kind of list in any other list. If you want ordered list, inside unordered, unordered inside unordered, all the permutation combinations are possible. So here this is my ordered list 1, 2 and 3. Inside the second list item, a next list is created, which is this list. This list which is placed inside your ordered list. Okay. So this is just one level that we have used. In the second example, we have two levels of nesting used. Ordered list, this is the first one, and over here we have introduction as the first list item. Second list item is conditional statements. Conditional statements, inside the conditional statements we have another ordered list. If statement, if else and case statement. Then this list item is a part of this UL list. Again inside looping list we have another list. So here we have multiple levels. This is my first level. This is my second level of nesting. You can go up to any levels. Any number of nests that you all want to create are possible over here. Let's open this also in a browser. Okay, so this is the nesting of list. This is my ordered list 1, 2, 3. Inside the ordered list I have this complete UL list. This is my list over here. This here, if you can see over here, this is a UL list. We have a unordered list. This unordered list has 3 items. First one is introduction, second one is conditional statements, third one is looping statements. In the second item, that is conditional statements, we are again using another list which is another ordered list. So this is my second level of list which is created inside conditional statements. If statement, if else, case. Similarly, for looping statements, we have one more list created over here. So this is my next level of nesting. Okay. So this type of nesting is generally seen when we are using an index. This type of list is more beneficial when you want to give some sub points to the main topics. So that time we can observe this type of list being created. Okay, so this is all that we have today. Just let's quickly revise this. We have three different types of lists in HTML: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. OL tags used to create ordered list. LI tags used to create list items. OL tag has three attributes: type, reversed, and start. Next, ordered list is created using UL tag. List items can be created using LI tag. It has one attribute type. This attribute is not supported in HTML5. So in that case, you have to use CSS style. The property used is list style type. You can use different values. The values will be disk, circle, square. The third type of list is definition list, which is created using DL tag. The list items can be created using DT and DD tag. DT is going to define definition term. DD is going to give the data definition. And lastly, finally, you can nest your list. You can nest any type of list. If you want to nest definition list, that is also possible. Any kind of list can be placed in another list. You can create any number of levels depending on the requirements. So this is all that we are going to have today. Thank you.